What's up, unicorns? Welcome back to the music room. Today we are going to tackle the F chord. Just gonna start this off by saying that we are starting the hashtag baritone struggle bus, because the F chord is difficult. If you've ever struggled with playing the B flat chord on a G, C, E, A tuned ukulele, it's the same, but worse. And I say that because the frets are wider, the strings are thicker. In order to play your F chord on the baritone, please make sure that your instrument is in tune. And make sure that your fingernails of your left hand are trimmed. This is going to be very, very helpful. You might also want to do some finger stretches. Okay. To start, we are going to need to bar, the first two strings of our baritone ukulele. So, first off, make sure your thumb is in a good position that you are able to reach around to get to where you need to go. The only solution I've ever found to successfully playing a bar chord is making sure that the strings are covered with the fleshy part of my finger. If I happen to be trying to bar where the finger crease exists, there is space for the string to slip into, and then it's not being pressed down accurately. So you really do need to kind of fuss around with the exact placement that's going to get you the best sound. We are putting our first finger on both the B and the E string. Now that might mean that it's flat, that might mean that it's up on the edge. Then you're gonna put your middle finger, your second finger, on the second fret of the G string. Double check that you're still getting the correct sounds from the others. Take a break, because already I can feel my fingers are starting to sting. The last one that you're going to do is you're going to reach in staircase form, and you're going to take that third finger all the way over to the third fret of your D string. I struggle with this one because the ring finger is the weakest, and I oftentimes will get a buzzing sound because I am not close enough to the fret. All right. Here we go. Yay! I know. Celebrate that moment if you're getting it. If you're not getting it, take a break. I'm not kidding. Take a break. Walk away from your instrument. Stretch your fingers. Come back and try again. My recommendation for getting this F chord to sound the way that it's supposed to sound is take it in very, very, very small steps. I know that's not what you want to hear. I know you want to start jamming away on songs that include the F chord like now. You can, of course. Some people learn really, really well like that. Others don't. So if you're one of those who really just doesn't, then just take a break. Start small. Make sure that you get those two barred strings sounding good every single time. When they're sounding really, really good every single time, add your third finger. When the three of them are sounding really, really good, then add your pesky ring finger, because that's probably the one that's going to throw everyone else out of whack. When you finally have all four strings sounding at the correct pitch, you've successfully made your F chord. Let's practice doing some strums. Let's keep it nice and simple, just down strums. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, 2, squeeze again. Rest, 2, try it again. Last time, you're almost there. And stop. Well done, unicorns. You've now learned how to play the F chord. And yeah, my fingers hurt, and they're supposed to, unfortunately. No pain, no gain, right? Thanks again for stopping by. In our next video, we're going to be talking about transitioning from any note to F and from F to any note. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.